Hey marketers, I want to pop in and give you a really quick overview of a super useful tool for your personas research. It's called Facebook Audience Insights. This is a tool that Facebook has for going through and learning more about different audience segments. It can also be really helpful to go in and learn more about the kind of pockets of people or segments of people that exist that are coming through in your personas research. This is what the particular page looks like. When you first pull it up, it's going to go through and it's going to show you characteristics of everybody on Facebook. So what we're seeing here is a breakdown of the demographics in terms of gender and age groups across everybody in Facebook or using Facebook. We've also got details in the relationship status and education level. Again, this is for average users across everyone in the US who are on Facebook. Down here, we've got information on different job titles of people who use Facebook, and you can get more detail there. It tells you the top topics that people are interested in, so categories, and then different pages. You can see Oreo is very popular, who knew, as well as Budweiser, Groupon, and Dunkin'. Interesting. It tells you the locations, and then it also goes through and gives you some information on their activity. This is kind of cool, seeing how many people are going on Facebook just on their phone. And it gives you a sense of what kind of stuff you want to be creating. More interestingly, you can go through and also drill down to get more information on people already connected to your page. So you can go down here and you can select your particular page, and what this will do is it's going to take all this information and give you information for your users, but then compare that against how the rest of the people on Facebook are. So we can see here is that Facebook tends to be skewing slightly more male than what this particular page has in terms of followers. Especially except for people who are older, so men 45 to 54, we actually see a lot of them who are fans of this particular page, but only a few people, relatively small, 16%, are actually fans of are actually on Facebook. So while this tool is really useful to go through and of course learn more about who's on Facebook and what they like, as well as who currently follows your page and what they care about, it becomes really powerful if you're doing stuff like personas research. Say you have some tidbits of information about certain groups of consumers who are really into or excited by your particular brand or product. What you can do here is feed that information into the audience tool, and then it will tell you other characteristics common to that particular group of consumers. So say, for instance, you found out that college-age men who are really into surfing and kombucha, hey, it's California, they're most likely to go through and buy your particular product or donate to your cause. You could use that information to put that into this particular tool, and Audience Insights will tell you more information about that particular group. So let's try it out. So here we're taking a look. We've got the demographics of everybody on Facebook. This is going to be stuff we're going to go through and set though. So instead we can flip to page likes, and this is going to tell us again what they're interested in and the kind of sites they're following. We can go through and add in San Diego, California, and have that pop up as a city. What we're going to see is right away we're going to have different topics become more important to this particular group. We can then go in and select a certain age group, say up to 18 to 23. If we're looking for college age students, we can select men as a gender. We can see again how we're going to have the topics and stuff change. Apparently Sky Zone is super popular. And then we can either go through and browse and look for different categories of interest we want to add, or we can actually just go through and search. So kombucha, and then we can also add in surfing. And we can see this is a group, these are the group of categories and also pages that men who are 18 to 23 who live in San Diego and who are into surfing and kombucha are interested in. And if I was somebody who was managing this account or owned this particular business, I would go in and try and learn more about these particular different sites and see what it is that they're posting that's making this group really interested in and excited by these different pages. Why might they be following them? What kind of benefit are they getting from them? And how could you use that to create better content yourself? So this is a really nice tool to go through and take a look at different insights you can get on your particular personas that you're developing. So see if you can use this to basically build on and expand on the different information you're getting from your own research through interviews or observation or talking to managers or people who work in a particular store location. Hopefully it's helpful. Have fun playing with it.